YouTube, what's good? It's the OG back with another video. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit that thumbs up. I truly appreciate it. Got a few things came in today that I wanted to share with you guys. So sit tight. Got one right here. Let me see. This probably be, I think I got one more unboxing or mail call, wherever I decided to name video. I'm not gonna be doing what I'm trying to say. I'm not gonna be doing too many unboxing videos. I'm gonna slow it down for the rest of this year and pick back up next year. I got some other things I'm working on, so yeah, I think I got one more video after this. So yep. Got me a Adidas jacket, a black and white Adidas jacket, you know. So got that. What else? Sit this way. Hope everyone is enjoying their day. Let's see how we open this. Oh, it just pulls. Yeah. You know I love knives. I always had a knife since I was a kid. My dad gave me my first knife, I believe I was 10 years old. Yep, knives and guns. So I got a little knife you wear on your hip with your belt. It's a little bitty one. I believe they call this a gut. It's sharp. You can see the tip on it they put on for safety. You see it? Something you hold in your hand and you gut them. And it's sharp as hell too. So yeah, got that. Alright, let's see, I got one more. Where this video at? Okay. Package inside of the package. And this right here, this is a beam for my pistol, a green beam. Might do a video on this when I install it. It comes with your batteries, also the little tools that you would need to put it on them. And this is the beam. This go on the rail of your firearm. It's a green beam. I was gonna get the one with the flashlight and the beam, but I felt that was too much. You know, I ain't need all that. But this beam right here, this is pretty dope. Let me see something. Hold tight. So this would go like up under the rails right here of the firearm. Yeah, I will do a video on this after I install it. But yeah, that's what came in today, family. Thank you guys for tuning in to my video. I got one more after this, and that's it. So, appreciate you guys.